Good morning. Welcome to another episode of the Mizuho Week Ahead. I'm Buting, market economist at Mizuho Bank. This week's theme is between pivot, pressures, and politics. Between Fed pivot bets, persistent China asset market pressures, and emerging political risks, markets must confront obscure outlook rather than obviated risks. This week, the FOMC meeting on Wednesday will be the key event. Admittedly, in a meeting that is expected to be devoid of action, the post-FOMC presser could still be a trigger for potentially emphatic pivot bets, a bet liable to be faded. Whilst no rate action or significant shifts in the statement guidance are expected, with no updates to economic projections or the dot plot, the press briefing has potential to be a live wire, specifically with regards to tire kicking on Fed Chair Powell's sanguine view on last-mile disinflation. If validated, this could materially soften views of hawkish buyers keeping at it policy approach, which effectively diminishes projected lags between rate cuts and disinflation. The attendant scope for a front-end-led drop in yields with corresponding dollar pullback is par for the course. But this may be a move to fade in the wider scheme of US exceptionalism and mixed post-ECB messaging on wage inflation, which checks euro advantage from imputed Fed ECB divergence. The MAS had held steady this morning, biasing policy for a prolonged hold, as two-way risks and heightened uncertainty to both inflation and growth are backed by baseline expectations for stronger growth. Elsewhere, China asset market headwinds are addressed, arguably still not adequately assured. Latest measures by Beijing to curb short selling complement the 50 basis point RRR cuts and the reported plans for $2 trillion in offshore funds to be deployed by the national team to buy equities. But these measures do not appear to have decisively restored confidence from a deep deficit, especially not in the context of balance sheet shocks from property and policy opacity. And despite received wisdom about the Fed pivot bets priming markets for risk on, sentiments in Asia may be more circumspect, not just from spillover from China, but crucially as political risks begin to feature, demanding to be re-evaluated and imputed in the Asia-US risk premium. The overlay of Trump 2.0 and the attendant trade market effect uncertainties collide with local political risks. Indonesia's reported cabinet fractures hitting the rupiah last week being a case in point. For more information on the key events this week, please refer to our Week Ahead publication or contact your respective sales desk and RMs. And for regular notifications on our market views, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button. Thank you.